Hello, my name is DANISH bin Muhammad Anwar and I'm from class A4CS1104A.
Hi, my name is AIMAN HARUN and I'm from class CS1104A.
Hi, my name is SULAIMAN bin SULAIMAN from CS1104A.
And Assalamualaikum. My name is Mas AZZA binti Bakar from class CS1104A.
Assalamualaikum, my name is UMMI binti FADZLI and I'm from CS1104A.
Okay, I will present our homepage, which is for the user who's not logged in or signed up yet. Okay, this is our navigation bar, which is have a home, shop page, contact us, about us, more. We have a return and refund policy, FAQ, last but not least, add to cart page. So basically, this is our homepage. Okay, this is the brand that we have in our shop. For the shop page, it will display all the product that we have. For the user who need to buy the product, they need to put the quantity. For example, 1. So the user need to press the add to cart button, but it will appear the pop-up message for the user and not in. So the message is you need to log in first. Okay, for the search product, you can search all the product here. Like example, I want to search this product, so just press this button. Okay, it will appear the product we have been searched. So back to the shop page. Okay, this is the coding for the shop page. Okay, for the search code, basically this is the query for the search, which is a seller all from product where pro name like found or pro brand like found. Okay, for the display all the product, this is the coding for display all the product from the database using while loop. Okay, for the JavaScript, this is the JavaScript can detect the user who not log in. So the user who not log in will click add to cart button, will appear this pop-up message, which is you need to log in first. Okay, basically this is contact us page. The user or customer, if they want to contact with us, they need to fill in the form. So after that, just press the submit button, and then the form will send to our company email. So about us, basically this is about our Royal Beauty, our shop. For return and refund policies, this is the page for the return and refund policy. FAQ, this is the FAQ page. So last but not least, add to cart. If the user log in, the pop-up message will appear, you need to log in first. So basically, user need to log in. If they have their account, the user just log in. But if they are new to this site, so just click sign up. Okay, to sign up. So, okay. Okay, just click sign up button. Okay, the pop-up message will appear. Account has been registered. So you just need to log in, put the username, which is AIMAN, and the password. So just press the login button. For this side, this is our developer. This is developer information. We have Muhammad DANISH bin Muhammad ANWAR, SAFWAN bin SULAIMAN, Muhammad AIMAN bin HARUN, UMMI AISYAH binti Muhammad FADZLI, AZZA binti Abu Bakar.
I would like to proceed in our presentation is after the customer login. So after you login, it will show your email and the username. So if you can press my account, there is your email, username, full name, phone number and address. So we go to the shop first. So in the shop, there's product, so we can choose products such as we try put this one and this one. So we have to cut first these both items. So after we add to cart, so we can see right here, this put at the shopping cart. So you can remove it or pay it. So if you remove and we delete from the cart and you only stay this one. So if you press pay, so in order to pay, you need to fill out your information. So you can see here we have not entered our phone number and address yet, so you need to put your phone number first. And your address. So I'm just gonna put some address. Alright. So press update here, and then the account has been updated. So after you update it, so then you can proceed to pay over here. So I would like to do the coding part first. So I would like to explain about add to cart first. So how do we add to cart is we enter our quantity, right? So the enter quantity is over here, and that in our database there are like availability of a product, the amount of availability. So this is the amount of availability is from the table product. So if the customer puts more than the availability, then it will pop up say sorry, we only have the product name, only have how many products. So if the customer puts more, then this pop up will go up. If else, so the quantity that the customer put will be multiplied by the product price from the table product, so to obtain the total price, and then this will all be sent into the purchase table, and then you will say in the pop-up it say product added to cart. So now I would like to explain to you about the payment coding. So as we know, if we haven't put our address and phone number, it will show the pop-up and we go to the update my account, right? So this is the coding. So if it's empty row, so we check the database, it either is empty or not. If it is empty, you will show this pop-up and you will go to the account.php. So I will explain the account PHP after this. And if you choose the remove button, it will delete the product from the purchase table, which is the cart. So it will remove product remove from cart, and then you will go redirected back to the cart. So after we insert our information, we will go to this page. So this is the coding. So if we press the update button, it will update every information details about the customer. So over here we can put the address and the phone number over here, and it will set on the database. It will update from the database. So after, and then it will show a pop-up say account has been updated, and we will go back to the page my account. So after we already do the update, so now we can pay. So after we click the pay button, it will redirect us to the payment confirmation. So in the payment confirmation, as I can show you that. So over here, so there is a payment confirmation lah. So you need to bank in the amount, which is the total price over here, at the account number and this bank. So we need to insert this one. Again, you press pay. So okay, payment successful. We ship the product as soon as possible. So we will return at the shopping cart. Okay, so I will like to explain about the coding part of the payment. So we have over here, first we check, if we press the pay button, we will check whether the image, we have put the image or not. So it not empty. So if it's not empty, and then we will check whether the image is an image or is just something else. So we check here the allow types and the file name. So it must be image, and the type must whether be JPEG, PNG or GIF. So after we confirm that there is an image, the receipt, so the image, so it will update the database. So it will set the payment into one, and after it's already updated the database, it will say payment successful, and then we will ship the product as soon as possible. If it is the image was not included, this pop-up will go up, payment was not successful because a receipt was not included. Or if the image we upload is not an image, so it will also do this pop-up. It will this pop-up. After we had pay, so we can check our purchase history over here. So there's the item that we bought just now is over here. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, the next part is about staff. Staff need to enter their username and password to log in. After the staff was logged in, you'll go to shop page for staff. This is the header for staff page. It has shop, order, sales, staff, staff list, staff register, and some reports, staff activity, customer, and sales. Okay, for shop, the staff can search the product. The staff also can add the product, update the product, and delete the product. Okay, for example, if I delete the product will be deleted. As you can see, the product was deleted. Okay, if I want to update the product, update, the staff can update the product picture, product name, brand, price, and quantity. As an example, I change the price to 100.55 ringgit. Then I update. Okay, the product price was updated. Okay, next is if the staff want add the product, they need to click here. Then the staff need to insert the product image, product name, and product brand, the price, and the quantity. Okay, the and then click add. Okay, product was added. As you can see here, this is the new product. Okay, next we go to order page. For order page, it will display all of the purchase from the customer. Okay, for each purchase, it will show the product information, the quantity, the total price, and purchase date. The staff can see the receipt of the purchase. If the receipt is valid, the staff can ship the product by using this information of customer to ship the product. And then if the receipt is invalid or it is a fake receipt, the staff can reject order. Okay, for example, for this receipt, for this purchase, that I ship the product, and then the order will turn to sales. Okay, for this purchase, the customer insert the wrong image. That is not the receipt, so I will reject the order, and then the order will be deleted. Okay, next we go to sales. Okay, for sales, the staff can search for the product or brand for sale. Staff also can see the product information of the purchase, the quantity, total price, and purchase date. The staff also can see the receipt of the purchase, receipt of the sale, this, and then also the information of the customer. Okay, next is about staff list. Okay, staff list, it will show all of the staff name, position, and phone number of the staff. Okay, next is staff register. We decide to use this method, which is the staff only can register for the new staff, because we want to make this web secure to all of non-staff from create and fake account for staff. Okay, for example, if the new staff need a new account, the new staff need to see the existing staff, or the existing staff will create an account for the new staff. Okay, for example, I create an account for staff. I sign up. Okay, the account has been registered. Okay, and then it will display in staff list. Okay, so now marketing phone number. Okay, and then we go to report. Okay, the first report is about staff activity report. In this page, it will display all of the staff activity, such as add new product, update existing product, and shipping product. It also will display staff name, the activity, date, product, and quantity for only shipping product. Next is about customer report. It will show all of the customer name, phone number, address, the total product that the customer purchased, and also the total amount. Okay, next is sales report. In this page, it will display product image, product name, brand, the total product sold, and the amount. It also will calculate and then see the total product sales. Total product sold is 17, and the total amount sale is 1,737 ringgit point 42 ringgit. Okay. The staff also can make change for their account, just like customer account. They can change their full name, position, and phone number. The staff also can change their username and also their password. Okay. Okay, that's all for our presentation for web development. Thank you.
Explain and demo about our mobile application.
This is our login page, which is if you already have account, you may enter your username and password. If you doesn't have an account, you may click in sign up button and you insert your data. You insert your full name, your email, your password, you also can click on show password if you not confirm your password, and you click in sign up button. So the data will transfer in database. Okay, so if you already sign up, you click in login button. And you sign up and you log in into it. You insert your username and password. See if you not confirm and log in. So it's successful. After you log in, you will get into our home page, which is this is our home page. Welcome to Royal Beauty Shop, and you can see brand we carry here. If you click in the learn more button, you will get into about us. You also can click on our logo if you want to go home, and you also can click back if you want to go home. So this is our menu button, which is have my account, home, shop, about us, contact us, and log out. So if you want to buy a product, you just click in menu site shop, and you will get into shop page. And if you want to search a product, you just click here and search product name like Cosrite. Search and it will show you a Cosrite brand. You want to search brand Ines, so you type the name and search, so it will show you Innisfree brand. If you want to see all the product, you click here and you will see the product. So back to our shop page, and if you want to buy a product, just tick the product you want to buy and calculate. And if you want to cancel your order, you just click cancel. So if you want to buy your product, you just click and then calculate and check out. So you will get into payment information. You just insert your information, your account number, and then your phone number, and also your address number. So just click pay and you will get into receipt. So your order will check soon. So back we will get to the home bar. Okay, this is our website. So if you click on about us, it will show about us page. You also can click on our image to go back to the home instead of click button back. So if you click in menu side and contact us, it will show contact us page. You will insert your data and just click the submit button back. So in the miscellaneous side also you can manage your account, like you insert your data, you insert your full name you want, that you want to update your phone number, you just insert your data. And if you want to update address, you also can update your address here. You also can update your password if you want to update your password. So you cannot see the password. So update. So it show your account be update. So back to the home and menu side. If you want to log out, just click the log out button and you will get into login page back. Thank you.
So now I will explain to you about our mobile apps coding, which we use MIT to code the mobile application. So coding in mobile application, we call it as block. So this is our login screen. So let's look into the block. So when web one got text, so this one will read to the web one here, like we set it to the PHP coding, which is login check you. So this one is the login coding for the PHP. Also we use the same connection for our database web system, web applications. So when you click the button login, like you will get to set web 1. So the button also will run this coding, like this one, this on the PHP coding we will run. And when the database call it, so we start the session. Also after all the input submitted, we will success and log in successfully, because we also join the customer email or username and also password if the correct, and you will log in. So when for the button sign up, when you click the button, you will open another screen, which is screen 2, also named as a screen sign up screen. So let's get into our second screen. This one is for the sign up screen. So this one we use text box for the password, also text box, then sign up. So let's into the code. We have here the same IP address, and also we use also code in PHP, which is register.php. Also the same one as same ones with the web application. So when you click the button one, the button one is for the sign up. When you sign up and you will get into the, if you're the new customer, you will get into the database when you sign up. Like you get input here, like email, password, username, and also full name. Then we will, this one for checkbox, we use checkbox to show the password, because like we set it into invisible because we use the text box, password text box. So this one is also read the PHP coding. So when you click the button 2, it will, button 2 is for login. So when you click the login button, it will appear to screen 1. Now we'll look into screen 3, which is home screen. So in this screen, like we use a lot of invisible component. For one, we initialize the clock, because the clock will make the picture, all this picture that we set here, get global clock 1 to move by itself. Like when you open the screen, like you will see this the picture move by itself. So we also have button shop, which is we use the icon card here. Like when you click the card button, it will open another screen, which is shop screen. So for the button learn more, which is here, learn more, in here when you click, it will get into about our shop, like about us. So for the image one here is our logo. So our logo is also function, when you click, when it's click on another page, it will appear home screen, okay, after you click the image. So we also have button menu for the display the menu. So let's move into the screen 4, which is our menu. So we have my account, home, shop, about us, contact us, and also log out. Okay, so when you, for the log out, for the menu, we just use the simple one. Like when you click the button shop, it will appear the shop screen. When you click the button back, and it will appear back to the home screen when you like after you log in. So button home is also for the home screen. So about us, and will appear on the screen 5, which is about us, all the information about our company. And finally is button contact. Like when you click the button contact, it will appear at contact us. So button account is for when you click the my account, you will appear the account screen. So finally log out is you move out from the home screen as well. So when you look at the menu, you will get the contact us button. So contact us button is on the screen 6. So I will show you the interface of the contact us. So this is get in touch with us, is contact us. This is the image, text box. This one is text box for name, text box for email, text box for phone number, address, as a subject, and also message. So this one is button, is submit button and back button, and under down there is just a text. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia is for the location. royalcompany@gmail.com is for our email, the company email, and also the contact. So when the customer put their input on the text box, so when the customer click the submit button, it will goes here. When button submit click, do call notifier 1, short alert, notice, thank you for your time, have a nice day. So as soon as after the customer click the submit button, they will call the short alert also come with thank you for your time, have a nice day. So when you click the button back, it will open another screen, which is home screen, and also image one also will appear at home screen, which is here. I will explain to you more about our screen 4, which is screen menu. So let's look to the block back. So when you click the button shop, we'll go to screen 8. You show screen 8, it is our shop screen here. This is our interface for our customer to buy our product, which is hydrochloric acid and something, also have the name, brand, and also price. So let's do the coding. So this one just a simply button. When you click the button pay, you go to payment screen. When you click the button search, we go to search screen. When you go back, we will back to the home screen, and also for image 13 also back to home screen. So when you click, let's look in the interface first. So when you click in the check box here, when the customer want to buy, then we click here and then click the calculate button. So when you click the calculate button, the total price will also appear here. Okay, so the coding here is when you click the button calculate, set global label 2 is for the text to the text box. So you get the global TA. So we should analyze the global TA first, because we use chat box. So we will add up, and also the total up to 0. So then when you click the checkbox 1, so checkbox 1, we click here, checkbox 1, then it will, if you click, it will then set the global TA with the 100, which is the total with the price. So if you don't click, it will minus it back. So as well as also appear, use the same function for others. So for the button cancel, when you click both of this one, checkbox and this checkbox, when you click cancel, he will also back the minus to the 0. You will get the ringgit Malaysia with the 0, because you cancel the order. So we simply like delete the order. We don't want to order. So when you want to buy, just click this one and this one, the checkbox. Then you will, if you want to pay, just proceed the order with the checkout. So when you check out, also I forgot to explain about button cancel. When you click the checkbox, also check will turn into the false. So after you click the button cancel, and also the tick on the checkbox will be disappear. So let's log into the button checkout, because after we want to pay, we want to proceed our order. So this is for payment information. So customer required to input their name, account number, phone number, and also address. So for the button pay coding, where you click the button pay, you will appear the screen 11. So screen 11 is like you immediately want to buy it, and also you will get this one, thank you, your order will be shipped soon. And also button back, you will push back into the home screen. So we will back to the shop screen. So for the shop, we also have up here, we have search button. So what will happen when you click the search button, it will go into the screen 9, which is our search screen, where you can search the product. This one is the interface. So you put the name you want to search, name or brand, then you click the search button, and it will appear on the list view down here. So the coding is when you we initialize the global for the result list first to empty list, then we make a list about all our product. All the product, we use the list view 1 elements to global items. So you will get all this global item to appear on the list view. So what will happen when you input on the text box, when you click the search button, it will set the global result list to the create empty list. Then the create empty list will initialize the global items for you, and it will search the same as the result as you want. So if contains text, get item, please get user text. So it will compare the text, then it will get the result. You will get the result. So when there's the empty is list, when you click the search button, and will appear notifier no result. So when you click the button clear, just after that, you will set the text search to 0, means like empty text box. So you will get the set list view empty, also 0 will not appear. Okay, so we will get into the screen 12. This is for my account, which is user account as well. When the user want to update their information such as email, full name, phone number, address, password. Also, we can also make the password invisible and appear back. So when you click the update button, right after the user will input all their information, it will go to update. So when you click the update button, we use the same function as login and also register. We use the database also. When customer update their customer information in database also we update as well, because we use the same coding for the web. Okay, so this one is for update, so we use the same connection for web, so we will get into the same database. So we just update.php and updates customer set, so it will update the customer table. So set into customer full name, and you will get one by one into the table in the database. So after the successfully input all the information in the text box, and it will appear account has been updated as notifier here. The same function we also use here for update. So this one simply for the text box for show password. So when you tick the text box, it will appear true visible, then set is itu false. And also get the response if none of the information is correct, then it will notifier will call it a short alert for error. So when you click the button back, it simply back to the screen 3 here. Use the same one as other screen, then it will get updated. Okay, so when you can back, you click the back button, you will back also to home screen. So finally in the menu also we put logout. So when you click the logout button, so let's take a look the logout function. When button logout click, do open another screen named 6. So sorry my mistake is but so when you click the button logout, do open another screen named 1. So when you click the logout button, it will appear screen 1. So this is our screen 1, which is login. So it's finally done. Thank you.